The first thing to do when changing a car drive belt is to disconnect the negative battery terminal, to ensure your safety. Disconnecting the negative terminal is to prevent a potential short circuit, and to prevent anyone from accidentally starting the engine while your hands or tools are near moving parts. The car's chassis is connected to the negative terminal. By disconnecting negative terminal to the battery, it removes the entire chassis from the electrical circuit. To access the drive belt, you may need to remove several components that obstruct your view and reach. The primary items that can block access including front seat and the engine cover. Before you begin, to avoid mistakes when installing a new belt, you must memorize the belt's position or take a picture before removing it, as this provides a crucial guide for correct routing. Drawing a diagram of the belt's path is another effective method. This is the most critical step for ensuring the new belt is routed correctly. Your photo or diagram will serve as the reference for the installation. Be careful when buying a new belt. Fake parts can have the same part number printing, but different dimensions, including length, because counterfeiters replicate the authentic markings. To ensure you get the right belt and to avoid accidentally buying the wrong size of belt, follow these best practices. Compare the old and new belts. Before installation, always lay the old belt next to the new one and compare their lengths. If the new belt is noticeably shorter, do not attempt to install it. A short belt will increase tension on the system, which can have multiple negative effects. The excessive strain created by a tight belt can cause premature failure of the bearings inside components, like the water pump, alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. It is necessary to inspect all rotating pulleys, including the tensioner, water pump, and compressor, before installing a new belt to ensure a proper fit and long service life. A new belt can fail prematurely if it is installed on worn-out or misaligned pulleys, which can cause issues like misalignment, uneven wear, and bearing damage. When installing a new belt, it begins by routing it around all pulleys and tensioner, except the compressor pulley. Insert the socket wrench into the tensioner bolt and rotate to pivot the tensioner, to create slack in the belt, and while holding the tensioner in the loosened position, you can easily slide the belt onto the compressor pulley. The ribbed side of the belt must sit correctly and aligns with the grooves of all the pulleys to prevent slipping and damage. The quick start and stop, or a brief test run method, should apply, to make sure that the new belt is aligned properly and to avoid damage to the belt, if some wrong or misinstallation.